everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to eat spring rolls from Brodard, so I'm really excited about that. So this one over here is shrimp flavor and this one over here is pork flavor, and we also have this sauce to go with it, and look at that. And then also going to just drink some water with it. So I'm really excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going to take one of each. I'm going to take the shrimp one, put that on my plate, and I'm going to take the pork one. So let's get started eating. So I am going to start off by eating the pork spring roll. So the way you eat spring rolls is you dip it into the sauce. So let me dip it a little bit. As you can see, the sauce is on the tip of the spring roll, and I am going to take my first bite. The pork is really yummy, and I also like how there's a lot of vegetables inside of here. Yeah, it's really good. And as you go in, it's getting more crunchier. So now that I go in, it's really crunchy in here. As you can see, this makes it crunchy. And there is a little piece of carrot on here. So the crunchy part is fried egg roll skin. That is probably my favorite part of a spring roll. Let me dip it in the sauce again. I'm really getting the feel of the crunchiness. There are cucumbers and carrots in here too, which is really yummy and really fits with the rest of the egg roll. So I'm going to take another bite of this. I really like the fried egg roll skin, and I like how it makes that crunch. And there are also little pieces of lettuce in here, and it looks like I'm getting to the end of this spring roll. So then I will start the shrimp spring roll. So next we have the shrimp spring roll. Hopefully it's as yummy as the pork one. So let's get started eating the shrimp spring roll. And it looks like there's this stuck to it on the side. So in here, it's really similar to the pork spring roll, but instead it's shrimp flavored. So let's dip it into the sauce. And dip it into more sauce. I think this is my favorite part of all spring rolls. I really like the nice crunch. This is the crunchy part that I am talking about. They are fried egg roll shells, and they are my favorite. So, yeah. Oh, and we are reaching the leap. Now that I am eating just on the shrimp side, I can get more of that shrimpy flavor. So, yeah. There's some really big pieces of fried egg roll here. I'm stuffed, and I am also ready for dessert. So I'm just going to leave this for now, and I will finish eating it later. Here I have my dessert. First I have this from Baguette. This is my first time trying this. I'm really excited. And next I have my favorite dessert, sesame balls. I have 4 of them. Okay, so let's start eating. First, I'm going to eat this from Baguette. Let's open up. And on the back, there's, I don't know, a little bit of bean, I guess, leaking through. So let's start eating this. So it turns out that this is actually red bean. At first, I thought it was mung bean, but as you can see from the reddish color, that it is actually red bean. Red bean is actually my favorite, and I like having a lot of red bean in my desserts. I really like the red bean flavor. So the outside green part is really fluffy and soft. And the inside, which has red bean, is really sweet, and it's also really smooth. I think the two flavors really work together. So I'm down to my last few bites. Overall, I really like this dessert. I really like the sweet red bean, and I like the soft outside green area. So I am done with this, and now I'm moving on to my sesame balls. So finally, we have the sesame balls. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like. It's like a little ball with sesame seeds all over it. And let me take a bite. So as you can already tell from the crunch that it made while I was chewing the outside covering, it is very crunchy. Okay, so this time I really think it's mung bean now. Do you see that? Normally it's red bean, but today from where we got it, it's mung bean. So let me finally bite the mung bean. The mung bean isn't as sweet as the red bean, and it's kind of less easy to chew. Well, you can chew it, but it's not as smooth. It's smooth, and it's like in this little ball. So this whole thing is basically like a mochi fried ball. The mung bean isn't really sweet, and it's not my favorite. I personally really like the red bean better. But this is still a really tasty dessert if you don't want anything too sweet. And it kind of makes your fingers really greasy, so I'm gonna get my napkin and wipe my hands. And let me get the water. And that was it. That was a really good meal, and I really liked the desserts, but now I am really stuffed. So I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys really liked it, and stay tuned to my channel for more. Bye!